Hey guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. If you guys have been following me, you already know how much I love my Dyson Airwrap. I'm so excited for today's video because I have the next generation Dyson Airwrap multi-styler, and this got launched today in India. So if you want to get your hands on it, you can definitely go to any Dyson demo stores or go to dyson.in, and Dyson claims that this is their most efficient and best performing Airwrap yet, and I can't wait to share all of my thoughts and reviews about this new Airwrap and also show you guys how I achieved this hairstyle. So first let me unbox and show you how the new Dyson Airwrap looks like. And look at this, you guys. Oh my god, the case looks so pretty. And once you open this, it comes with this QR code. You can scan this QR code, so it will start up a video, and also you can register your product, and you also get a user manual. So this is actually the new color, which is copper nickel, and it looks so pretty. And also in here you get this filter cleaning thing. Time and time again, the Dyson Airwrap, it will accumulate dust and everything, so it is really important to clean. So this will come in handy. And moving on to the first attachment I have here, it's called a Coanda smoothing dryer. So you can blow dry your hair, dry your roots and all of that, and also you can tame your frizz, flyaways and baby hair. The next attachment we have is this soft smoothing brush. It moves along with your hair and to give you that better styling. This attachment is mainly used for people with thin hair. And then we have the barrel attachments, you guys. We get two barrel attachments here. One is a 40mm and 30mm one. The 40mm one is used to get voluminous blow dried curls, whereas the small one, the 30mm one, is used to get tighter curls like beach waves. And then we have the firm smoothing brush, and this is actually for people with thick coarse hair like my hair type. And lastly you get the round brush attachment, same as the older one. So those are everything that you get in the new Dyson Airwrap multi-styler, and let's see how this actually performs. So let's get started with the demo. So actually this is the lid. I don't know if I've explained it before, but if you turn inside, so this also acts like a mat for your hot tools, to just keep your hot tools on them. Okay, so I'm just gonna place it right next to me, and now I'm just going to take out my hair tool. I'm using it for the very first time, and also the wire is so long, as you all can see, which makes it very convenient to style your hair. So first I'm going to take this Coanda smoothing dryer, and this is the latest attachment that they have included, wherein if you just twist, the vent opens. So this acts as a blow dryer, but wherein when you twist it inside, it just acts as a smoothing brush to tame your flyaways. So I'm just going to flip it back to the blow dryer side now and use this attachment to just dry out my roots. Once it locks in, it does not move, and this feels a lot more sturdy compared to my previous Dyson Airwrap. I'm going to put it on the highest settings. Already can feel that the power of this particular blow dryer is so much more intense compared to my previous Dyson Airwrap hairstyler. So now to prep my hair, I'm just going to add some hair oil and also spray some heat protectant. I'm just going to comb out my hair to spread out the products evenly. And now I'm just going to divide my hair from bottom to top. First I'm going to take a very tiny section on the bottom, and it's really important to take your hair in sections to get an even blowout. So now to change my attachment, I'm just going to click this thing down and it just comes off. And I'm going to take my favorite brush, which is this firm smoothing brush. This is how it looks like, and this definitely helps to straighten that coarse hair. Guys, so that's how straight it has gotten, as you all can see. I'm just going to speed up this process. I don't want to bore you guys, so I'm just going to do the same thing. So up until my crown section, I've only used the firm smoothing brush. So next I'm going to take this round voluminous brush attachment, and I like to use this especially near my crown area because it adds some volume to my hair. Okay, so can you see, you guys, it just adds some bounce and some texture to my hair, and my hair this side looks a lot more voluminized compared to this side, and this is how silky and smooth my hair looks like. But I don't know if you guys can see right over here on my hair, there's so much flyaways like baby hair standing up, and it looks a little more frizzy. So to tame this frizziness, so I'm gonna use this Coanda smoothing dryer attachment. So here what I'm gonna do is I'm going to reduce the fan's speed to 1, and then I'll just like tame my flyaways. Oh my god, you guys, this literally tamed down all of my baby hair, my frizziness, everything. And look at that, my hair looks so much more sleeker now. So this is how my hair looks like once I've completed my styling. So this is my go-to hairstyle like most of the days, because it only takes me 30 minutes to do this hairstyle. So coming to my last attachment, which is the curling barrel attachment. You get a 40mm barrel and a 30mm barrel. Now previously in the previous Dyson, you used to get two 40mm barrel, one for your left side and one for your right side, and two 30mm barrel. That was like such a task to change every single time you have to do on different sections. I'm really happy that they came up with one barrel, and all you have to do is, can you see right over here? You know, you just have to like twist this. So yeah, now I'm just going to remove my previous attachment and then use this curling barrel. This is the bigger 40mm barrel. I'm just again going to take smaller sections like this. And then I'm going to remove my hair. So this is how the curl looks like. It's nice and bouncy. And I'm just going to take like a section of my hair and repeat the same thing. So now I'm just going to twist the barrel on the other side like this. So yeah guys, this is my completed look. I absolutely love how it turned out. From my experience of using the new Dyson Airwrap multi-styler, I can definitely say that, you know, my favorite tool has to be this blow dryer smoothing tool. My hair just gets frizzy, my baby hairs always stand up, so definitely comes in handy to get a very sleek look. So yeah, I absolutely love it. I thoroughly enjoyed the new barrel attachment, because I don't have to keep switching in between doing my hairstyles. So sometimes with the old Dyson Airwrap, the top part used to get really hot to the touch, but this one does not get hot even after using for such a long time. So that's what I loved. I mean, not only with this curling attachment, but with every other attachment I have noticed that difference. The performance of the new Dyson multi-styler is much better. It's much more intense compared to the previous ones. So yeah, I definitely love my new Dyson Airwrap multi-styler, and I see myself using it every single day. And if you're someone who styles your hair on a regular basis, I think a Dyson Airwrap is a must-have. If you're wanting to get one, then you can get it from Dyson demo stores or on Dyson.in for rupees 45 and 900. I'm gonna provide all the links down in my description box, so don't forget to check them out. And guys, if you already own a Dyson Airwrap, then all the attachments are compatible with the older machine too, so you don't have to purchase the entire box. You can just get the newer attachments and use them. And also, if you have the entire kit, you can upgrade it for 14,900. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you have any more questions regarding the new Dyson Airwrap, then do let me know in the comment section. If you found this video to be helpful, then please take a moment to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you all next time. Bye.